Is how you can log in into your AOL mail. Now to log into your AOL mail, just first open up a browser that you usually use, and after you open your browser, what you can do is just search for AOL. After you search for AOL, just click on the first link, and then you'll get the sign in option on the top right. Click on the sign in option and you'll be redirected to this page right here. Now here what you need to do is you need to type in your email. Now make sure that you type in your correct email, and after you've entered your email, click on next, and you will either need to type in your password or you'll get an email verification code at your Gmail account. Now let me just check for the email verification code, and the verification code, just put the verification code in, and after I've done that, I'll be able to just log in. As you can see, I've logged in, and it's that simple. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Bye bye. Take care.